This is our SMT production workshop, where the pick and place machines are running at high speed and with stable performance. Before production starts, we carefully verify that the program, materials, and PCB information are fully matched. Every component is supplied steadily through the feeder system, ensuring an accurate and efficient placement process. With high-speed visual recognition and precise positioning, the pick and place machine mounts each component quickly onto its designated position on the PCB, from tiny resistors and capacitors to precision ICs. Every placement is directly related to the quality and reliability of the entire board. Through standardized program control and process management, both production efficiency and placement quality are effectively ensured. After placement is completed, the PCB moves on to the next process to continue the remaining production flow. We use real factory footage to showcase every step of the process, and professional manufacturing is reflected in every detail. Fastturn, reliable PCB turnkey solution provider.